Okay, I started up the car, let it warm up, then shut off the car, put a timer on my phone for 30 minutes. And now I'm going to attempt to start the car after it's been sitting for 30 minutes after being warmed up. And there you go. That's the noise and that's the hard start that occurs every single time.